trying to understand this whole vlogging thing, and it's like, I'm noticing, I'm having these challenges where I'm noticing, you know, I'm getting a lot of people saying, oh, this is so cool, great to see this stuff, keep up the vlogs, but I feel like it's not bringing any value to anyone. Like literally, I'm all about value, and I'm all about giving and sharing information with people. And what I'm really putting this into perspective, you know, talking to you guys about this stuff, because when you think about vlogging, literally you're just watching people walking around living their day-to-day life for pure entertainment purposes. But what are you actually getting from that? Now there's inspirational vlogs, there's motivational vlogs, and people who are like putting out a good message. I mean, that's cool, but for me as an entrepreneur, I almost feel like this is a waste of time. And let me know your opinion, okay? Let me know your opinion. I'm doing this just to kind of experiment to see and to show you guys a different side of me. But at the same time, I feel like you're getting absolutely nothing from this. Just pure randomness. And, you know, and that's why I love to hear your opinion on this stuff. And it's like, what would you like to know? Or what would you like to hear from me or see from me? Like, I'm a DJ, so I'm a former nightclub DJ. I've actually posted videos of me DJing on my channel. Would you want to hear me do DJing sets? Which unfortunately, because of copyright stuff and infringement, I have to be careful, so that most likely will not happen. Do you want me to talk about business and branding? Do you want me to talk about just strictly business stuff for salon professionals? Like, I can make my vlogs only for professionals, you know? I mean, it really depends. Like, my time is very valuable, and I feel like for me to sit here and edit something like this could take me half an hour or an hour, and it's like, what am I actually doing? You know, so I'd like to know your feedback on this stuff, you know what I mean? Like, let me know. Let me know what you would like to see from me, but make it interesting, all right? Again, I'm already doing hair videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I've been doing these barber battles, but Friday I'm gonna start posting my regular content again, my hair stuff. So 3 days a week, you're gonna be getting hair stuff from me, okay? But when you think about YouTube, like, what is it about? Everyone always says it's about being passionate, it's about sharing, you know, not caring about the views, it's about, you know, just creating content. But, you know, there's a fine line between creating content for the heck of it and wasting valuable time as an entrepreneur, you know, or, you know, again, it comes down to like, what's the point? So I'd like to hear from you guys, right? I'm calling all of you out, all the viewers. What would you like to see? You know, share some strategy tips and things with me as knowing that I'm an entrepreneur. Is posting videos 3 times a week enough? Do you like this vlog stuff? Do you want to hear more strictly about professional stuff? Like, you know, these Sunday vlogs could be like an opportunity for me just to share, you know, information on consultations, on, you know, how to find the right salon to work in, all these types of business things. Or just say, you know what, Steven, dude, we see enough of you 3 times a week. We don't need to see any more of you. You know, whatever it is, let me know. So, once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I finally hit 600,000 subscribers, which is incredible. And I am going to be doing a giveaway for that. And it came up quicker than I expected. But I do want to do a giveaway for that. I have some really exciting things happening. I'm going to be in British GQ magazine, my products. I'm going to have a different product featured in the July, August, and September issues of British GQ. And also my stuff is gonna be on GQ.com, on their website, on their like this new shop that they have. So really incredible. So that's really exciting news too, working on new products and a bunch of other cool and exciting things. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.